In this video, we're going to show you guys how to download and install Microsoft Office in 2026. Okay, step one, before we install, we need to check if Office is already installed. We can start by hitting our Windows key and typing in Word. If we see Word, which we do, that's indicating that Office is already installed. And the first step is to remove our pre-existing Office installation. To do this, it's fairly simple. We're going to right-click the Start menu, and let's click Installed Apps at the very top. We can either scroll or simply type the word Office. And here we're going to see Office Professional Plus 2021. This is the version that I have installed. We're simply going to click the three dots here and let's click Uninstall. Confirm and click Uninstall again. Select Yes on the pop-up and press Uninstall. It's telling us that it's removing Microsoft 365 and Office from our computer now. While that's going, we're going to move on to the next step. So open up a browser of choice and type setup.office.com. One of two things is going to happen. One, we're going to be prompted to sign in, or we're already going to be signed in. Note that the account is available from the top right, and I can see which email address I'm signed into. Now, it's important that we confirm that the correct account is currently signed in because the key that we're going to activate is going to bind to this Microsoft account. So either sign in or create an account, and then confirm that that is the account that you indeed want to activate. And at that point, we can press Get Started. We're now prompted for a product key. If you have yet to purchase a Microsoft Office product key, be sure to check out Indigo software. We offer licenses at a great price, and we'll have all the links down below. If you did purchase your key, now is the time to get that handy. In most cases, it will be sent to you via email, so you can search for that or pull it up, copy it, and we're going to get ready to paste that into the website. All right, so I've got my key handy. We're going to blur this on screen, but we will paste it now. Make sure that there aren't any spaces or extra characters, and we'll press Next. Okay, and this is going to tell us that we are redeeming our product. It's also going to show what the product is. Make sure that that is in fact the product that you are intending to install. For me, it's Office Professional Plus 2021, and this is what I want to install. So I'll press Redeem. Okay, so we've redeemed it, and now we're brought to this page. We're not quite done. We just have a couple more steps left. So we're going to click down to the Subscriptions tab, and now we're going to scroll down. And we're going to see a section called Products You've Purchased. So here we can see Office Professional Plus 2021. It's also going to show the dates that these were added to our account. I'm going to install my previously existing copy. So next to the product you've purchased, again, that's what it's going to show when you redeem it. We're going to click the blue Install button. And then we have the option to choose our language and version. And if those look good, we can press Install. And that's going to download the Office Setup.exe file that we need. Okay, going into my File Explorer and my downloads, I'm going to double click Office Setup.exe and we'll press Yes on this pop-up. Okay, it shows that we're getting things ready. So at this point, I'm just allowing it to load. We'll come back momentarily. Okay, so we just got a notification that the installation was finished. And basically the last step is to verify that it is activated. It should already be activated by default, but let's go ahead and check now. Okay, so we're gonna hit the Start key, and similar to what we did earlier, we're gonna type Word and we should see it pop up. Let's go ahead and enter Word. And we'll maximize that. And then if I go to account on the very bottom left, here we can confirm that this is in fact licensed, everything is activated and ready to go. And I can see my same email address right here. At this point, Office is completely installed and ready to use. The biggest mistake that I see with Office installs is using the wrong source. We recommend not downloading Office installers from random websites, but instead use Microsoft setup page like we showed in this tutorial and redeem the license to the correct Microsoft account and install it from there. That makes future reinstallations much easier and avoids most activation problems. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions about anything we covered, feel free to drop those in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. If you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo software. We'll have all the links in the description box below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any ideas of your own, we'd love to know what those are. Most viewer commented video requests get made into actual videos on our channel. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.